Cinnamon whiskey is really popular right now.
And if you're a fan, this is a fun way to play up the sweet cinnamon heat that makes it unique.
Start with your favorite bottle of bourbon.
And then simply add as much flavor to that as you like. I've got about 3/4 of a cup of red hot candies. They provide the sweet cinnamon taste as well as a little kick.
So you can stop there, or if you want to play those flavors up even more,
throw in some dried red peppers, or for more cinnamon flavor, throw in some cinnamon sticks.
That's why I like DIY liqueurs, because you can flavor them to your taste.
Let that all steep for at least 2 hours. The longer you let it sit, the stronger the flavors will be.
Contrary to popular belief, this stuff's not just for shots.
I'm gonna use it to mix up a quick coffee and donuts cocktail. Start by preparing a martini glass, brim it with a mix of sugar and cinnamon. That's gonna give you a delicious cinnamon donut start to this drink.
Then to a shaker of ice, add 2 ounces of your DIY bourbon.
An ounce of Irish cream, a 1/2 ounce of butterscotch liqueur, and 2 ounces of cold brew coffee. Give that all a good shake and strain it right into the martini glass. It's a delicious combo of coffee, cinnamon, sweet, and heat from our DIY whiskey.